Hey everyone, if you're getting a TurboTax filing error and your return won't submit, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix filing errors so you can successfully submit your taxes without delays. First, read the error message carefully. TurboTax usually explains what's causing the issue, so understanding the message helps you fix it quickly. Next, verify your personal information. Your name, social security number, and date of birth must match official records exactly, or your return may be rejected. Look for missing or incorrect data in your return. Incomplete fields, incorrect numbers, or mismatched information are some of the most common reasons filing fails. Make sure TurboTax is updated to the latest version. Updates often fix bugs and filing-related issues automatically, so always check for updates before submitting again. Run the final review again. TurboTax will scan your return and highlight any remaining errors, making it easier to fix everything before filing. If your return was rejected, check the IRS rejection code. This code tells you exactly why the filing failed and what needs to be corrected. After fixing all errors, try submitting your return again. If it still doesn't work, contact TurboTax support for help with more complex problems. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix TurboTax filing errors. Follow each step carefully and your return should submit successfully. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more TurboTax tutorials for fast and easy solutions.